In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play player career mode in eFootball 24, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and whether or not it is possible to do this. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the option to access career mode in eFootball 2024. Anything that I say in this video is going to apply for all versions or all platforms. So eFootball is available on PC, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, and also mobile. Of course, I'm recording this video on my PC, but like I mentioned, everything will apply to all of the platforms. So first, if you actually go into the match option, you will notice that these are the modes that they offer: Events, eFootball League, My League, Quick Match, Friend Match, and Trial Match. Now, from the title alone, none of these actually refer to career mode. You might expect eFootball League to be the career mode, but as you can clearly tell by the description, this is player versus player matches, and if you access this menu, you will once again just confirm this. It is against other real people for you to climb among the divisions. So, as of today, how do we access career mode, a single player mode where we can experience the narrative-driven storyline and build our team? Well, even if you browse through all of the menus, switch over to the missions, go to the shop, extras, browse through the settings, and so on, what you will notice is that seemingly there is no career mode option, and sadly that is indeed the case. For whatever reason, even after years since the game's release, it has no career mode. As of today, it is impossible to do career mode in eFootball 2024, regardless of your platform. The game simply does not feature a career mode, and because of this, you will only be able to play online against other players. It primarily focuses on online multiplayer and building teams through the Dream Team system. And because of this, you will not be able to do career mode. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware about the limitations of doing career mode single player in eFootball 2024 and how the game actually does not feature such a mode. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.